everybody, welcome back to my kitchen here in the UK. It's Rog here once again, and today I'm going to be cooking something really delicious. Well, I hope everything I cook is delicious, but this is a bit on the Chinese side. It's a chow mein. Haven't had one for a while. Love it. Hope you enjoyed this video and check out this recipe. Do it for yourself, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I've got hundreds of recipes out there now. I'm sure there's one there that you would love to make. So stay tuned and we'll get cracking. Okay, so we've got quite a few ingredients on this chow mein recipe. We've got carrots that have been cut quite finely. We've got 6 spring onions sliced diagonally. We've got some ginger, about ½ an inch. 3 cloves of chopped up garlic and some sliced mushrooms. These are button mushrooms. Over here I have some sliced mixed peppers, about half of each one. Moving up the table a bit, I've got some cooked chicken. This is left over from our Sunday lunch. No waste in this house. Some oyster sauce. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons full of that. Some soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of that. That's a dark soy sauce, that one. There's the oyster sauce. And in this bowl here I've got 5 tablespoons full of ordinary ketchup. And there's the soy sauce in that little dish. Here we have 1 cup of sliced green beans. And of course it wouldn't be a chow mein without some bean sprouts. I'm going to use about half this bag. Start off with the peppers. Pop them into a pan on the hob. We're going to turn that up to a high heat. Then add our green beans. We'll pop all of those in. Followed by our carrots. Now I've cut these into sort of, what can you say, little matchstick sizes. And also the spring onions, which have been cut diagonally. Now we're going to top a little bit of water on top of these. Not too much. Give them a stir around. Just sort of slightly cover them up really. Once you've done that, we're going to let these come to a boil, and as soon as they're boiling, turn off the gas or turn off the heat, whatever you got, and just leave them. Take a wok, put that on the hob, drop of sesame oil, then we can go in with our chopped up garlic and our chopped up ginger. Now we want to cook these just for about 2 or 3 minutes, no more than that, otherwise they start to burn, just to soften them up a little bit really. Then we can add our sliced mushrooms. In they go. Now to be fair, I guess you guys know that sliced mushrooms like this, these are little button mushrooms, they're a bit like sponges. So I'm going to drop a little bit more oil into the wok. Give them a little bit of a stir around. Let them cook down slightly. 2-3 minutes, that's enough. Then we can add our peppers that have been drained. Pop those in. I mean, they've still got a nice crunch, if you know what I mean. Then we can add our bean sprouts. Now I'm going to be using 2 handfuls of these. So put them in, make sure you don't overcook them. And then we can add our sauces. In with the ketchup. In with the oyster sauce. And finally, the soy sauce. Doesn't really matter which order you put these in. A little drop of water, a very big stir, and cook them on a high heat really quickly. So we can get all those wonderful flavours all incorporated together. Then we can add our cooked chicken. You don't have to use chicken, you could use any meat that you want really, but for me it's chicken, leftovers from Sunday lunch as I said before. We get no waste in this house. Then we can turn our hand to our egg noodles. So you're going to get a pan of boiling water. I'm going to go in with 2 nests, that'll be fine for what I want. Obviously it depends how many people you're going to be cooking for. And then when they're cooked, we take them out and we can plate up. Oh, look at that, guys. Amazing. I do love this dish, and it's healthy too. So let's give this chow mein a bit of a taste test. Really tasty. Those veggies have still got that bit of a crunch. I know what you're going to say. Where are my chopsticks? Afraid I'm not very good with those, so I'll stick to a fork. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel. See you all again next time. Bye for now.